Hey fam family out there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly give it a moment, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any updates on my further videos. So guys, today we are going to do this makeup tutorial and I hope you would like this makeup tutorial. You will have fun enjoying this makeup tutorial, and if you want to know how I've created this look, then you have to watch this video till the end, and please comment down below and let me know how you like this look, and please stay tuned for my next videos also. So guys, without any further delay, let's gather on to the video. So guys, today we are going to use this serum from L'Oreal. This is Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum, and we are going to apply it all over our face. Guys, after you're done with the serum, the next step is moisturizer. So I'm going to take this Vilva aloe vera gel as a moisturizer, and this really is a unique formula. It is really great for the skin, and it cools down your skin. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. It gives a cooling sensation to the skin, and it's very good. It's natural also, so it's very important that you use natural products. So guys, after you're done with this, the next step is the primer. So for the primer, I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This says that it tones, smoothen and perfect your skin. This is a face primer and it is a silicone based. Nowadays I am having a lot of oily skin because of the moisture in the climate, so that is why I am using this primer. So you have to apply it all over your face. Like, I have large pores all over my skin, so that is why I am going to apply it all over my face. So guys, as I'm done with my primer also, now the next step is this MAC palette. This is for corrector. So this is the color corrector I'm going to use. This is the orange corrector and I'm going to use it on my face. Like, with the help of the finger itself, I am going to apply it. As you can apply your corrector wherever you feel you have pigmented skin. Like, I have lots of pigmentation over my nose and over this place and also on the forehead. So I'm going to apply it all over. And you can use it with the finger itself. You can blend it with the finger. I'll be doing it on my forehead also. So guys, I'm done with this also. Now the next step is the foundation. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this Benefit Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation. This one. So this is in the shade 6. So I'm going to take few drops of this foundation and I'll blend it with the sponge. This is from Huda Beauty, but strangely or unfortunately today it got broken when I was damping it. Like I was just squeezing it, it just caught this on. So that is why I will still start doing with this only, and I'll take some foundation in the center of my face. Oh my god, this is really a nice blender, and I'll definitely buy another one. As you can see, it blends so well. So guys, thank you so much for the support you have shown me on the YouTube. I'm really amazed with that, because 100 subscribers in such a less time was impossible for me. But thank you all, and thank you all friends and family for helping me out and supporting me so much. You guys means a lot to me. Just dab your beauty blender. Now there are many questions arising nowadays, like we have dry skin, or we have under eye dark circles. If you have dry skin, use those products which have oil in it or which have essential oils in it, or you can use coconut oil also for if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for the products who doesn't have oil in it and it's water based products. And if you have some under eye problems, go for under eye creams, and definitely don't forget to use your sunscreen. Sunscreen is very, very important, guys. It is very, very important, and we tend to skip that, and we generally don't use sunscreen while going out. It is very, very important that you use your sunscreen as well. Guys, as you can see, I'm done with my foundation now. This foundation from Benefit is good foundation, not that bad, but you have to, you can blend it and you can build this foundation. So I'm going to use just a single layer of this, and after this I'm going to use this concealer from L'Oreal. This is Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I'm going to highlight and also lift my face with this. You can see how I'm using this. So again, taking the beauty blender, I'm going to blend it. So guys, if you have any questions regarding skin or regarding makeup, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will love to answer all your queries and questions. You are free to ask anything, whatever you feel like. Oh my god, this is really a flawless blender, I should say. Definitely, no, there's no doubt in it. But unfortunately, it's broken today itself. Just blend the foundation, concealer and corrector nicely. That's the only thing what I suggest you all. guys, the next step is locking. This is MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC37. No, it's NC35. So I'm gonna use this to lock the concealer, corrector and the foundation. You can do one thing, you can also, do like this. If you have oily skin, you can always press your compact powder into your skin. Guys, once you're done with your powder also, now the next step is bronzer. So for the bronzer, I'm going to take this Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and with the same brush which has been given along with it, I'm going to use it. If you have an oval shaped or a round shaped face, it's very important to use this bronzer. Why? Because it gives some kind of dimension to your skin, some kind of features to your skin. Also use it on your nose. Jawline also. So guys, I'm done with my bronzer also. Now I'm going to take this Papa Don't Peach Too Faced Papa Don't Peach blush, and it's really a very shimmery and beautiful pink shade, and I'm gonna use it with the any sort of kind of fluffy brush you can take, and you can apply. Shimmery, it's not that what do you call that, it's not that matte finish blush, but it's kind of shimmery. So I would suggest, if you want to lift your face, you should just apply the blush over here, not here. Bit on the nose. So guys, we're done with the blush also. Now the next step is highlight. So for the highlighter, I'm going to take this Becca highlighter, and this is in the shade Moonstone, and I'm going to take a small brush, like this is a concealer brush from PAC. This is 272 number, and I'm going to take a bit of this, just dab it like this and then apply it. Such a beautiful highlighter, I should say. It's really a nice one. You can use it over here also, on the tip of your nose. So I'm done with this also. Now the next step is definitely eyes. So for the eyes, I have to first fill my brows, and with the help of this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencils, this is very beautiful and this is in the shade warm deep brown, I guess, and I'm going to, you know, use it to make this brows work out. As you can see, with this one. Now do this, the other one. So guys, I'm done with my eyebrows also. Now taking the spoolie, I'm going to comb my brows. Oh, sorry. So guys, now I'm taking this Huda Beauty palette. This is Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty palette. And I am going to take this as a transition shade, this color as a transition shade. So I'm going to take this brush, this is pack 210, and I'm going to take this. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. Really, this is so beautiful. My God, really very, very nice. The same will do with this eye also. So guys, now I'm going to take this brush. This is also from pack. This is pack 208. This is kind of kind of pencil brush, you can say, and it's really beautiful. And I'm going to take this purplish shade here. This is a darker shade, and I'm going to use it on the outer corner of my eye as well as on the inner corner of my eyes. Also using on the inner corner. you can see, I have used this color on the outer corner as well as on the inner corner of my eye. And now I am going to take some shimmery shade and I will be going with this color. This color is Frazzled, this one. So I am going to use this color with the help of my fingertips. Oh. And right in the middle of the eye, I am going to apply it. Guys, now again taking the same PAC 210 brush, I'm going to take the transition shade again and I'm going to blend it. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with this. Now I'm taking, what I'm taking is, this is from Swiss Beauty, I guess. This is liquid shimmer eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it in the middle of my eye. Guys, as you can see, I have done the upper eyeshadow and now I'm taking a small brush and with the help of this is PAC 331, sorry, and I'm going to apply this transition shade, dark transition shade on the lower lids. Now guys, you can do one more thing is this, that you can take some black eye liner, and what you can do is this, you can just apply it you can line your eyes. You can also use this on the waterline. Guys, I'm done with my eye and now I am going to complete it and then I'll be back. So guys, now we are done. We have to do our false lashes. So I'm going to take this Miss Claire M13 eyelashes and I'm going to apply it. I've already applied the glue in it and now I'm going to stick it. the next step, I'm going to take this mascara. This is Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift mascara, and this is waterproof. So after you apply the false lashes, it is very important that you use the mascara as well, so that both of your falsies as well as your natural should not look different. Guys, I'm done with my mascara also now. The next step is lipstick. So for this, I'm going to use this Color Lock long lasting lip liner, So Spicy from PAC, and I'm going to line my lips. Guys, I'm done with my lip liner also. Now I'm taking this Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color. This is really nice shade. This is in 02, and I'm going to apply it. Guys, the next step is the setting spray. So for the setting spray, I'm going to use this NYX Fini Matte Finish setting spray, and I'm going to just apply it. Guys, I'm really thankful to all of you guys, because you have shown so much of love to me and so much of affection to me. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm really thankful to all of you guys that you have shown so much love to me and support to me. So guys, now as you have seen that this is the makeup look which I have created today, and if you do like this, kindly comment down below and let me know, and also stay tuned for my next videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.